Hey everybody, thank you for checking out this video. So in this tutorial we're quickly going over my Blender add-on called Angle Tool. The idea behind Angle Tool is to make it easy to basically turn an extrusion. The functionality of this add-on is like lofting or rotating the mirror plane, but the advantage of the Angle Tool is that it's really easy to use. There's no cumbersome setup, just select part of your mesh and create an angled extrusion around the active edge. So let's have a closer look. To install the add-on, as usual, go to User Preferences, Add-ons, click Install, choose the zip file you downloaded, and then enable the add-on. I recommend assigning a shortcut to Angle Tool, and the easiest way to do this is to go to Edit Mode, then expand the Face drop-down menu, right-click on Angle Tool, and assign Shortcut. So to use the Angle Tool, let's just create a box. Then go to Edit Mode, select a flat piece of geometry, switch to Edge Select Mode, and Shift double click on an edge to make it active. So now just run the Angle Tool and you should see a corner forming around the hinge edge as you move the mouse left and right. While the tool is running, there are additional functions to speed up the process. You can turn on rotation snapping by pressing the Q, Z, or X keys. Q will snap to 45 and 90 degrees, Z snaps to 5-degree increments and is limited to 180 degrees, which is good to know to get to that angle quickly. And X snaps to 11.25 degree increments, which is a quarter of 45 degrees, and limits the rotation to 360 degrees. It's also possible to enter the desired rotation manually using the number keys, and precise rotation can also be specified after using the tool by entering the amount in the Redo Last pop-up dialog. Okay, the next feature is the curve mode. Press the C key to enter curve mode and the A key to switch back to angle mode. So curve mode is actually pretty much the same as the built-in spin tool in Blender. The difference is that rotation here still works around the active edge, so it can be more flexible in some situations. While in curve mode, you can also press the S key to adjust the amount of segments. Press S again to exit segments mode. And you can also use the mouse wheel or the page up and page down keys to adjust the number of curved segments on the fly. So next is extend mode, which is basically a quick way of offsetting the center of rotation, which you could actually do manually by moving the active edge to the side. Just press the E key while the tool is active and again move the mouse left and right to quickly change the radius of the angle. Note that the next time you use the Angle Tool, it will keep the same pivot offset. If you then want to change the offset, for example back to 0, just press E and then 0, and then E again to exit extend mode. You can also use the home and end keys to quickly adjust the extend amount by 1 meter without having to enter extend mode. So sometimes you will encounter a situation where your cross section doesn't actually contain an edge that would be suitable as a rotation axis. An example of this would be a circle shape. When you run into this, just extrude a little helper edge out like so, and remove it afterwards. The ability to rotate around the XYZ axes will be added in the future. So that about covers it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find Angle Tool useful. Any feedback such as questions and feature requests are more than welcome, so don't hesitate to reach out either on the Blender Artist thread or in the video comments below. Alright, all the best, and happy modeling!